Hello, respectable audience. Look this question 2 plus 2 times 2 divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled and we will get 2 plus 2 which will be equal to 4. It means 4 will be our answer. But remember that it is not correct answer. So we have to remove this question and solve the question again according to correct order, which is Pemdas. Pemdas is basically order of operation in which P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. So this step in which we have cancelled 2 and 2 is totally incorrect. According to this order, we have multiplication first. So 2 times 2 will be carried out. In first step, we will get 2 plus 2 times 2, it will be 4 divided by 2. So 2 plus 4, it will be 6. 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. Hence 3 will be our correct answer according to PEMDAS based order of operation. Thank you for your support.